Do you have your own personal handbook? Me ma akwaba at the Badum TV. Eye kasa emfoni afidi a wo hwe ne de. Ye ka kasa emfoni afidi a na mo fa the TV no. Kasa emfoni afidi a ye fa na Adom TV. Ene me da to job say station so e ka. Ma kire o ma de. TV e ba kan ya ka TV e wo bofo kasa ba ntumi ka eye kasa emfoni afidi. Television Adom TV and now she. The Jumadi way a Nkuranhyensem emra. What is obi kan bebe kan zanita ko de kai e wa Adom TV. Me da ase. Unim onipa. Sase wotimi tintim krata. A be hwehwe bubra. Me si so me ko sua se de esa nipa yare. To sua bibi to say anatomy and physiology. Nipa se de wosu obobi ate. Misua se wotimu se de wo brain tie cerebellum misua ni nyina misua wo nostril wo hwene mu misua no ma eda wo hwene mu ko wadwene mu misua wo ye fe no buccal cavity what da buccal cavity wa no ne din no ena misua wo tekrama de ntia wo tekrama ena misua wo tse misua wo esophagus misua wo boso wo chest se ahana empo akoma wo ena misua se de fa so ye adwuma ena misua se etochima ko ba so amana ye adwuma ena mesua adwene emu ne yanso enti ena ahye medene ena me na wiase a me frɛ me ho mental health practitioner wo so there na ededia emema from say me a human being of quality and extreme value enya bible no bibi wo mo betime sua ba wankasa first and foremost to develop your handbook identify your real self enya so yan krani yes o ya kani wo ye hwan miniteko me obi a me hyenkuran me obi a me wa hohyeso me obi a me donipa me obi a me mfa asem nhyemi mu me obi a me da wodo adi me obi a me wa kuduro me obi a me gise me ho ofe me obi a me gise metimi aya ade na eso ba mfa so ama nkrankra saa na me yo wo so ye hwan nyesa wo ye oyere ni okunu unye trader unye journalist unye producer and say Christopher because I'm a cameraman unye cameraman you are something beyond what you see yourself to be today. Identify that thing. 2, what is your life purpose? What is the reason why you were made the way you are? Number 2. Number 3, what are your values in life? You can values are nyoma be na sombo a usuban utimopo edi akire me my values and 9 nyoma nan a me suban edi akire bako a responsibility me no a respect me nsa a integrity and 9 a innovation and me no na mo a me are very responsible for everything I do. Me mo be subo dia me biana ejina me so I make sure I learn to do things right, that I don't commit errors, nor I don't end up blaming others. So I'm very responsible for my actions. Me twika na ka no kopimo a enye bonsam na aye. I am responsible for how I live my life. Number 2, I show respect to even the obi a wono na kra me de obuoma no. Me de obuoma wo a na de obuoma me. So second value no your respect. My third value is integrity. Pepe yon no kredie. Menchia. Me no na mo ha, me no sere. Den so du mra me hye mra ma wo a obesu. Me ka mra me adwuma ba mu. Man for my officer me say e di na tra be ati ha mra wa. Sa papa no ne timo odi oga na ne hu se udi mra so se utimo odi. Sebe do di mra so ne timo nya den. Se post ne chi no do court na nya se ne timo odi. So do court kwampa so a. Just wabu mra so. Na Ghana ubu mraso na obetwa so e na ye nto ababiom e na sasem no e ye sebe emo asuban onipa e bo wo no se otimi hye wo ho so na ye de sefata na tibi jimu sebe we mi na me yoye na me ji ho abodni ana hu sunsaso. You need to be responsible for the consequences of your life. Integrity no and innovation abribias o se de bia na otwe bia metra kan so fro me do su kokosua de na me de ababre wo. I innovate and I make sure I have new things to share with others. Therefore, these are the things that guide my life. What are your own values? Another day, if I Google, now call laptop, so now call phone, so and call WhatsApp, you know, I loving you, WW. Type, what are the best values for making a great life? What are the best values for making a purposeful life? What are the best values for creating success? On what type of ebe ma obi Now they have values. When you be cram, but you have compassion, hard work, excellence, teamwork, resource oriented. Ni na your values. Efe pe baby define your strengths. We all made with a strength. I have a strength in communication. My word ni ejina kasa so. And ya misua nsem ka kasa ho ebetu nipa fo. Wa word ni wo he. Obi an word ni ya nwum to. Na metie papa bi e frɛ no em sɛ natarabasi. Sɛ otu nwum na komi mu. Ɛna metie ɛna na pɛyi metie akwa bi o sɛ e frɛ no Dave Mens. Menti ni dinda. Akwa na to nwum bi Grace me sɛ kai nwum nie. Saa na me baba estapiesie obi na no a ɛda soronko. Saa so na me baba ɛyɛ Obapa Christi ɔno so bie na no a ɛda soronko. Obia wo de ade na mu a ɔyɛ ɛda soronko. Wo so de ne wo he. Your strengths, your passions, your gifts, your talents. Number 5. Which areas would you need improvement? Note it down. Ɛdeɛ na ɛsɛ wo sua ka abrabo ho. Which areas would you want to improve? Do you have to improve on your relationship skills? You have to improve upon your communication skills? Yes. So there are areas of your life that you have to learn to improve upon. If you knowledge upgrade. Baby, I come about oh yeah, and koye. One between was chance that a better from etra abe and put a and self-fu. Won't you think uncle to self-fu a cramoboa? This is what chance you know. Wabrabo so ya abedua ya twa to fom ansa na wabrabo beso ansafo no okwa abafa so atwa ehuta abenum na empo ansa na apie wahono enti abrabo no sese hu bebia o mena yowo na wosua de wosua mpani wotampani na ase me amete me won pani bebia ma hwa ono kasa ehwa ono so ma me di bubra me boy ebi kura me hu onda he otwa John Hagee Pastor John Hagee o ma no ne onya madamfo ba me tie na bere biara Ofa obiti say Joel Austin, Ofa Joyce Meyer, Ofa Careful Dollar, Ofa Empo Miles Moreau. When me yankrofo a meta tie ona woni su na ban adware me. Wo hwa na wo tie no. Wo so ready a e ka atwo mia o ka atwa nyomfon. Obaba ya babofon. Wo so na wo hwe soap opera. Me ya ka ti kasa wontie. Na wa hwa na ade asa. Obaba ya nyoma ye ntia ase. Se wo hwe mfoni a ese unkran nyoma wodi wani hu nyoma e ko asom no ene wo ne enti nenda no bisan say dey na me di bu me bra na ayi the to sunsia you must have what we call adage and our personal philosophies and your friend is saying special quotes me one of my best quotes you are what you think and pe me say adwa me dwene me wo so pe quote bi na twere bo mu ka ase no adware no odamu again, no personal quote. Have your own personal quote. You can go to Google and type quotes. Now you there or there, the better come so. Ebini say, treat others as you want to be treated. You reap what you sow. Ebini say, life is a place for exchange. The other man and nawunya. There are various quotes you can follow. And to mature on your man siya, ubetin team life manuanum. How your true identity or your self-image, your purpose, your values, your strengths, areas of improvement, and your philosophies or quotes. Another day, Mami Nyao with one quote. Life is what you make it. Abraba wobuino, ejina woso. O adie, ejina woni ukruso. O maye die, ejina woni ukruso. Ebusuan koso na o man koso, ejina me no wonso. Se yensin kete anya de sefata ya anya de edimu ya anya odo kwan so a se ya na be kono a na di gwasu akonsresre amanone abi abrabo empare me se me sresre ni onyame bo me se me odini obo so odini mo me empa ka de ni abrabo nsombo e wurade ani aha na meja wo ana me kontem do eye adwumade wo machi etima me nkoe na me nkrao na me na Christopher cameraman ase na me nra sound room na me na osmosis ne nkrofo na me production team Thomas na eja we be kampadu me damu nyina ase enne dey aha na meja wo ya me kan se enya fide ne mfiri ha na badwuma dwuma de na ekoso woni wonyame entina